Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag X for August. Glam Bag X is a quarterly upgrade for Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus members. Every 3 months a new celebrity is chosen to create 8 full-size products. Each box is worth at least $350 for just $58. This quarter's box is curated by Alicia Keys. Let's take a look at what's inside. Inside we have the Word Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask, Perricone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser, Keys Soulcare Be Luminous Exfoliator, Keys Soulcare Obsidian Facial Roller, Keys Soulcare Skin Transformation Cream, Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick, Lawless the Baby One Eyeshadow Palette, and the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received, starting with the Word Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask. This is designed and developed to provide intense hydration for tired and stressed eyes. It includes an eye mask, reusable heating and cooling gels, and 3 single-use heat cells. I'm going to try a steam session. You just remove the pair of heating cells from the package and insert them into the eye mask sleeves. They warm up on their own in about 30 seconds, and then you can wear the mask for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're done, you just dispose of the heat cells and then you can use the eye mask as a regular sleep mask. Now let's start on skincare and try the Perricone Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. This is a non-drying face wash for oily or normal skin, so Alicia must have either of those skin types. Unfortunately, I have dry skin, so it's not really optimal for my skin type. And I'm actually kind of surprised that this was included because her brand, Keys Soulcare, has its own cleanser. Now let's move on to some products from Alicia Keys' very own brand, Keys Soulcare. All of her products have positive affirmations on the back, which is just really nice and empowering. First, I'm trying out the Keys Soulcare Be Luminous Exfoliator. This is a water-activated powder that transforms into a gentle, creamy foam. It's supposed to gently buff away dullness and reveal radiant skin. This is one of the most gentle exfoliators I've ever tried. I can barely feel the exfoliating agents, which are supposed to be mung beans and oats. Next, I'm using the Keys Soulcare Obsidian Facial Roller. While there is no scientific evidence that crystals or stones such as this black obsidian provide a medical benefit, face rolling, on the other hand, is proven to increase circulation and stimulate the lymphatic system, so that's why you notice a depuffing effect afterwards. My skin is feeling so dry after the previous 2 products, so I'm just going ahead and rolling on the Keys Soulcare Illuminating Serum, which I already had in my collection. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Keys Soulcare Skin Transformation Cream. This is a hydrating and moisturizing face cream that helps reveal plumped and radiant skin with bakuchiol, malachite, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. My skin needs the hydration right now, and you know we love hyaluronic acid around here. Next, I'm trying out the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. This is in the matte shade Vanilla. Here's a quick swatch. The shadow sticks claim to be waterproof and long-lasting, and this specific one is supposed to make for a great eyeshadow primer, so I'm going to apply it all over my lid and hope for the best. Now let's take a look at the Lawless the Baby One eyeshadow palette. It's very travel friendly due to its size. Let's swatch it. I really like the color story of this palette and the fact that it has more mattes than shimmers. First, I'm dipping into the dark matte shade in the bottom corner. I'm applying this to my outer V. It's very pigmented. Next, I'm picking up the matte mauve shade. I'm using this to blend out the shade I just applied. These 2 shades look so good together. After that, I'm grabbing the shimmery shade in the bottom corner. I'm adding this all over my lid using my finger. It's so shiny and pretty. Finally, I'm grabbing the shimmery shade in the top corner. I'm applying this to the inner corner of my eye. Just a little highlight. Finally, let's plump up these lips with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I already have the Maximum Plump, which is supposed to be even more powerful than this one, so I'm thinking that I can handle this one. Here's the finished look using products from the August Glam Bag X curated by Alicia Keys. Let me know if you've tried any products by Keys Soulcare in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.